Y'all, this video is gonna be a little bit different. Not really cooking. I'm cleaning up after cook. Something I don't really ever show, but I have been asked to show how. Y'all, I just made this amazing shrimp tortellini with a lemon cream sauce inspired by Kelly King. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Link is somewhere here or down in the description, but there's a link to it. I'm telling you right now, this is some amazing stuff. So good, so good. But I got an amazing mess to clean up over on that griddle. This cook is delicious, but it made a mess. Y'all check out what I did. When I say I have a mess, I really do have a mess. I mean, this meal really did turn out delicious. And this looks like it's going to take a lot. I mean, it's baked on. And look at these spatulas. I didn't clean anything. I left it just like I got done cooking. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean a mess like this right up. And now, if you cleaned right after you get done cooking, your griddle's already hot, or if you go ahead and take your food in and come back out, you want to fire that griddle back up. And that's what I did. So go on and fire up that Blackstone. Let's get this thing heating up. All right, this griddle is really hot now. As you can see, it's starting to bubble up on stuff. You see smoke coming up. So the first thing we're going to do is reach right here and grab you up a scraper. Now, what size scraper you want, it's up to you. I love these extra wide scrapers. They're kind of flimsy, as you can see. That's what I like about them. Or I do have one on hand, a little small scraper, chopper. Whatever you want, it don't matter. But either way, grab up some water. Spray on them spatulas. You notice I left them on the griddle on purpose, because now we can come in here and clean them. I mean, look at there. All that baked on stuff, most of it comes right up. And that's what you want. So, a little hack about cleaning these spatulas along with the griddle. You come in here this side, I mean, look how baked on that is. Look at there. Most of it comes right up. Steam a little more of it, and you can eventually get all these cleaned up. So there you go. Spatulas are relatively clean and ready. Now we got this griddle, y'all. So what I'm gonna do first is get what I can off with the scraper. And if you notice, that's the good thing about the Blackstone is look how easily a lot of that just came right up anyhow. Because that high heat bakes it right off of there. So we're gonna get most of this down the back, get it cleaned up. Now the back grease trap it goes. If you don't have paper towels, you need them. Paper towels are your best friends when it comes to Blackstones. They really, really are. You can use tongs if you want to. Don't do as I do, do as I say. And hold your paper towel. Or if you're kind of like me and hard-headed, just take your paper towel and just rub over the surface like this. See? And for the most part, that looks pretty good. But look how nasty that is. So what we're going to do is get a little water and help deglaze a lot of this. And just clean it up. That'll help pull up a lot of them sugars and whatever may be down in that seasoning without taking the seasoning up. And get rid of all the little bits you don't want in your next cook. There we go. One more wipe down with a good clean towel, paper towel. A lot of people use shop rags. Use whatever you want. I prefer a paper towel. Just one more good wipe down on it. Clean this thing up. And for the most part, it's looking pretty dang good. Now, grab you up some oil. Just squirt some down on there. Grab you some more paper towels. Like I said, paper towels are your best friends. You go through a lot of them. And let's just put a coat across this whole thing. Now, when I say the whole thing, I mean the whole thing. You want to get the edges, the sides, the back, everything. Don't miss any spots. because that's what's going to protect it for your next cook. And just like that, your griddle is ready to cook again. So go ahead and cut your heat off. Let it cool down. Cover it up. Just that simple. You've cleaned your griddle and ready for another cook. And if you maintain your griddle like this after every cook, this thing will last you for a long, long time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this really helped out. I know it was short, really wasn't cooking. So be sure to go check out that video that made this mess. That shrimp tortellini with the lemon cream sauce by Kelly King. Oh, so amazing. Link to her stuff is down below. I'm telling you, and also to the video that made this mess of that lemon shrimp. It's so delicious. It's so good. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it out, comment. If you didn't, thumbs down twice. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.